Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on pivot tables in Excel. If you are working with large datasets and struggling to analyze your data efficiently, pivot tables are the perfect solution. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from creating your first pivot table to advanced features like filtering, sorting, visualizing data with pivot charts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform raw data into meaningful insight in just a few clicks. So let's dive in and master pivot tables together. So what exactly is a pivot table? In simple terms, a pivot table is an interactive tool that allows you to summarize, analyze and organize large amount of data effortlessly. Instead of manually sorting and calculating totals, pivot table automatically categorize and compute the data for you. This make it an essential tool for businesses, analysts and anyone dealing with numbers. You can group, filter and visualize your data dynamically, save hours of manual work. Now let's move on to the setting up your data. Before creating a pivot table, it's important to ensure that your data is structured correctly. Here are some key things to check. Ensure all columns headers are properly named. Remove any blank rows or columns. Keep your data in a tabular form and meaning no merge cell. Convert your dataset into a table format by selecting your data and pressing Ctrl T for the Windows and Command T on the Mac. To create this pivot table, I am using this table. I'll select from order ID till region for all the cells, and then I'll go to insert tab and I'll select the pivot table here. Now I get two options, new worksheet or existing worksheet. I'll go with the new worksheet. It will create my pivot table in a new sheet. And here in the table / range you will see which table is selected. You can also enter the value from here as well. Click on OK, and on the new sheet you will see one table, and in the right side you will see all the columns like filter, rows, columns and values. Now based on your requirement you can add different column names and different values to get the desired results. Now in this pivot table fields we have following columns: filter, row, column, values. In row categories you can add columns like product and region. In columns you can add time based data like data or month. In the values you can add numerical data like sales and profit, and filter is used to refine results. So for example, for creating this basic pivot table, I'll drag the category to the rows and then sales to the value and region to the column. Now I have my basic pivot table. You can add multiple filters in this table to get the desired results. Now we'll add some more values and do additional calculations. For that, click on the values like on this arrow and select the value field settings. Here you will get different options. I'll click on the show value as, and currently in my show value as there is no calculation, so I'll click on the drop down and select the percentage of grand total here, and once I click OK, I'll get some percentage. If I do little bit of filtering, you'll get the percentage for that particular region out of total. So you can explore different calculations from the same category and get the desired results based on your requirement. You can add different type of charts on this pivot table as well. For that, I'll select this table and I'll go to insert column and I'll select the chart based on my requirement. Currently, I'm going with this bar chart only. You'll get some charts based on this table only, and once you make any changes in this pivot table, the chart will be automatically updated. We have already covered different parameters of this chart, so I'm not going to repeat those in this video. You can watch our previous videos to get more information about the charts. And that's it. You have just learned how to create and use pivot tables like a pro. Now you can summarize, filter and visualize data effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.